Welcome to this review of the Toyvian Solar Battery Container set. If you love crafting your own solar lights or lanterns, this product might be exactly what you need. This package includes 2 battery boxes designed for DIY solar projects. Let's dive into the features. First, the build quality. These battery containers are made from a durable material that feels solid and safe. The edges are smooth and round with no sharp burrs. That means you won't scratch your hands or damage other components during assembly. It's a thoughtful design for crafters. Size-wise, these boxes are small and lightweight. They are easy to carry and fit into tight spaces, perfect for compact lanterns or decorative lights. The compactness also makes them portable for outdoor use. Compatibility is key. These battery cases work with most DIY lamp accessories. Whether you're making a solar camping lantern, a garden light, or a custom decoration, these boxes are universal. They are a staple for anyone who loves building their own lighting. Installation is straightforward. The boxes have simple connections, often just requiring you to attach wires from your solar panel and LED. There are no complex instructions needed, making it beginner-friendly. Now, performance. These boxes hold standard batteries, typically AA or similar, and provide a reliable power connection. They are designed for low-power LEDs, so your lights will shine consistently. Over time, the material holds up well, even in outdoor conditions. Positives: affordable price point for 2 boxes. The smooth edges are a big plus, lightweight and easy to integrate, durable enough for repeated use. Negatives: no included wires or connectors, so you need to supply those. The plastic isn't high-end, but it's adequate for the price. Not weatherproof, so keep in enclosed fixtures. Overall rating, 4 out of 5 stars. Great value for DIY enthusiasts who want simple, reliable battery storage. That's the Toyvian Solar Battery Container. If you have a project in mind, these could be the missing piece. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Thanks for watching.